Hey guys, so what I do is freelance digital marketing, and basically that is promoting another company's product or services, and in turn I receive a commission. Now, I don't hold an inventory, I don't have products that I have to ship, I don't deal with customer service, none of that. The best part is I can do it from anywhere. I can do it while I'm grocery shopping, I can do it while I'm sitting in line to pick up my kids from school, I can do it while I run my other business. It does not inhibit me from doing anything that I already do now. It does help when I go to the grocery store and the grocery bill is $170. Or if we have unexpected expenses from our children in private school, they have programs that they participate in, they have homecomings, they have all these other things on top of the tuition. And genuinely, it's just nice to have an extra income source that's not running me ragged. Does it take work? Yes, it takes work. If you think it's just a get rich quick kind of thing, you are sadly mistaken. So if you're looking to find another source of income that's not going to require you to get a second job or to stop going to night school or to give up any of your mommy or daddy time, then go ahead and follow me and comment, "That's me," and let's talk.